Welcome to the incredible world of Successonomics with Dr. Michael Brown. This is where you will receive the most qualified material to help you build your world and make your dreams a reality. Dr. Michael Brown is a motivational speaker, author, restaurateur, and life and business coach to hundreds around the globe. From NFL and NBA coaches and players to entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs to people seeking mentorship to make their transitional transformation as fluid as possible, Dr. Brown is in high demand. If you are looking to learn the psychology of wealth and success, seeking to expand your knowledge base on the mechanics of how life, business, and money works, or if you are seeking ways to mobilize your leads and sales, you have successfully parked your life in the right spot. Dr. Brown specializes in helping people turn their lives around and live their business dreams of tomorrow today. With Viewing Successonomics, you can attain twice the results in half the time. After experiencing today's program, you will receive information on how you can obtain a free copy of one of Dr. Brown's ebooks. You can think your way to success. Now, let's join Dr. Michael Brown.